Today is also the Great American Smokeout. If you smoke and you're American, you're supposed to quit for the day. And you really should quit. It's not good for you. And if you live close to Canada, you can just blow the smoke across the border. So. Still a lot of smoking on television. You see the programs and people are smoking and you're like, I don't know how that's happening. I think it's important for Hollywood to send a sign that it's not good and set a good example. So in honor of Smokeout, in honor of the Smokeout, just gonna extend the phrase, I took the show Sons of Anarchy and I removed all the cigarettes. And here's what it looks like.
They give you a badge?
I just wanted to come by and make sure you're okay.
Yeah. Just last week you were pulling a gun on me.
I love you too, son.
We should be safe once we're inside. Let him know.
The only thing is I watch shows like that and it makes me want one too. So then I have to like... No, I quit. I don't do that anymore.